been tearing that down too. We'll walk over there and take a look at that here in a minute. This is the main building they've been working on. We've got a lot done on it, but they're getting her tore down. As you can see, it's just not a whole lot of people tearing this place down, so that's why it's coming down so slow. But they got a lot done just yesterday in one day when the weather cleared up and it was nice. So that's pretty much what's left of the main building there. These rooms, what's left of them. These were the bigger rooms here, I guess. Had a little bit more room in these rooms. They were pretty smaller rooms. I remember people used to live here for a while. So they were... You can see it's... A lot of people just left their belongings and took it off and just let somebody else attend to it. This is the other side of the building, as you can see what they're tearing down there. It's still standing on one side. Walk over here to the old bathhouse and take a look at that. All this will be coming down. There's been one guy, I think, taking this place apart. I really have come and looked at this place. Still a lot of good lumber in there. So that place will be coming down probably before the rest of it. So we'll walk back up on over here. bathroom. This is a bigger of the rooms. This used to be the office. And back outside. So we'll continue this next. Okay, you're back at the Lasso Motel for the third time. Taking a look at the demolition of it. Starting to pile up all the so they're getting it down. What's that? We got the one-man team here. This guy's been tearing it down mostly by himself. Doing it all just for the lumber. And that's the way it's been coming down. Anyway, that's the progress on the Lasso Motel. Supposed to have this down by the 1st. We'll continue this next time.